Bennu. Imagine an asteroid the size of 500 football fields, slowly orbiting through space, threatening to strike Earth in the distant future. Sounds like the stuff of science fiction, right? Well, Bennu, a massive asteroid that was discovered in 1999, is one of the most dangerous objects in our solar system, and it's much closer to us than you might think. Bennu, roughly 0.3 miles in diameter, is classified as a potentially hazardous asteroid due to its close approaches to Earth. But what makes Bennu even more alarming is its orbit. NASA scientists are closely monitoring Bennu because it has a 0.037% chance of impacting Earth on September 24, 2182. Now don't panic. That might sound like a long way off, but the sheer scale of Bennu's potential impact is enough to make anyone pause. Should Bennu hit Earth, the energy released would be equivalent to 1.4 billion tons of TNT. To put that in perspective, that's over 100,000 times more powerful than the most powerful nuclear weapon ever created. But here's the kicker. Scientists don't just sit around and wait for disaster. They're actively studying Bennu to figure out how to change its course if necessary. The spacecraft OSIRIS-REx recently made history by collecting samples from Bennu's surface, which will help scientists learn even more about its composition and the potential risk it poses to our planet. So, while Bennu's impact isn't guaranteed anytime soon, it remains one of the most intriguing and concerning asteroids in our cosmic neighborhood.